Namaste everyone, I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Suppose you change your bank account. You opened a new one, everything's set, but for some reason, you forgot to update your salary details. So your salary is still being sent to the old account, which is now closed. Every month you're waiting for the money, but it just doesn't show up. Frustrating, right? Well, that's exactly what happens when your website still has an old domain, redirect active. People try to visit your site, but they get sent somewhere else. Maybe a broken page or a website that doesn't even exist anymore. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a domain redirect from cPanel, step by step. And hey, if your hosting panel feels too complicated or outdated, check out YouStable. They've got a clean, beginner-friendly cPanel, fast support, and affordable plans. Whether you're just getting started or running multiple websites, YouStable makes managing everything way easier. So let's jump in and fix that redirect, and make sure your visitors reach your real website, not the wrong one. Let's learn how to remove domain redirect. Click Redirects. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Under Current Redirects, there is a list of all the redirected domains. Locate the domains and click Delete. Click the Remove Redirect button to confirm the removal. That's it. We have successfully removed the domain redirect. Now you know how to remove domain redirect. Thank you for watching.